Yo, what's up, chat? How's it going? Good morning. Good morning. Oh. Anyone want to do exclamation point Nord in chat to check out my NordVPN sponsor link? Please click it and check it out. Would be PogChamp. I'll talk more about it once there are more people here. I don't know what this extra gift is that they're talking about. Maybe if you guys click the link, it'll tell you. I actually don't know. If anyone figures it out, tell me. All right, chat. You guys ready? Because I am ready to leak my credit card number on stream. That's the stream today. That's what we're doing. It's a continuation from yesterday. We started the project. Got fairly far. We're going to finish it up. Maybe today. Maybe tomorrow. Probably soon. But before I start... Wait, let me pull up the project so it looks all cool. Shit. Oh yeah, it doesn't work in Firefox yet. Whoopsies. Okay, this should be clickbaity enough. All right, chat, let me tell you about NordVPN. One second. All right. Yeah. I don't have to tell you that much yet. Just click the link. Exclamation point Nord. Click the link, please. Check it out. NordVPN, very cool that they sponsored me, and a pretty cool product as well. I would use it as a VPN. I think that it satisfies all the checkboxes. So yeah, check it out. Exclamation point Nord. All right. So, what do we have here? We have a credit card number. And we have to guess it. The point that we're missing right now is what? We don't have anything that happens when you get it right. The animations are a bit scuffed. Like submitting a word, it makes everything bounce. I don't want that to happen. And we need to validate whether or not... Well, we have to decide how it's going to work. All right, so let's start with the animations maybe. Because, look, we have these little bouncy things for when you type a letter. That's what the actual Wordle does. But when you submit a word, it thinks that all the letters updated. So it makes them all bounce. which we don't want to happen. So why does that happen? Key letter. Does it look cool? It doesn't look that cool. Um. So this key letter thing basically means do this animation whenever the letter changes. So what I'm worried is happening is when you submit the word. Wait, don't play the same song again. Thank you. When you submit the word, it's getting the letters from a different source, if that makes sense. Like, it used to be getting the letters from the current word, and then now it's getting it from the last guess. Right? And actually, I think I have a solution to that. I think I might have a solution to that. Let's take a look at this. Because what I want to do is basically, instead of... currently what I'm doing is I'm storing the total number of guesses, I'm storing a history of all the guesses, and I'm storing the current word that you have typed into the box. But the thing is, what if I just store all of these as in the list of all guesses? Like, I don't store the history and then the current one and then the future ones. I just store all of them in one place. I think that might solve it. Maybe. But maybe not. No. That might not solve it, though. I think we need another way. I mean, I could use a different animation technique. I'm using the built-in animations of Svelte right now, and I don't love it. I don't love these animations. I feel like I want a way to just say, okay, animate. I want to have a function that I can just call and it'll be like, animate now. I don't want to. I want to have to like trigger it when it re-renders. So, there's no way to perform a Svelte transition without an if block. Using a key block, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I guess I could put, instead of letter in here, I could put something custo that only changes when the letter changes. I don't know if I can get access to the old letter state, though. Unless I store the old letter state. Like, if I do let old letter equals empty, and then I do let animation equals 0, and then I do if old letter is not equal to letter, animation plus plus, old letter equals letter. And then instead of using letter down here, I would use animation. What if that works? Who knows? Shit. Oh shit. I was working on a Chrome extension that adds like video speed controls to every video, but Now it's just cluttering out my console. Okay. Wait, this isn't printing anything out. What the heck? What? Oh, I have it filtered. Okay, wait. So, if I press 1, it says it went from blank to 1, and the animation is now at 0. And then it went back from 1 to blank, and the animation is now 1. So, go all the way through the entire thing, and then what happens now? Oh, it's a different word row, maybe. Maybe it's triggering on the initial boot up. If that makes sense. Like, technically, this top word row is being replaced with a new one. But what about this second? Oh, I guess all these 16 are changing from blank to 1. Shit. What if I do... that? No, why does that still happen? What? Why did this bounce? Ah. I've noticed that the only thing is being printed out in the console are the things are when I do want it to do the animation. Like every time this line of code gets called, that is when I want to do the animation. My method of triggering the animation is just not correct. So what if I trigger a different kind of animation from here? Like a CSS animation or something. Like keyframes, bounce, and then I would say like start at like transform scale 1.0, and then 50% of the way through, the scale of view should be fucking 1.25. Like that, maybe. And then... so now if I do animation bounce 1 second, linear, infinite. Oh, that's what I thought would happen. Okay, so obviously the scale is a bit too big. That's still a bit too big. Maybe this is a good scale? It just looks weird when they're doing it all at the same time. This is trippy. Holy shit. I feel like I could stare into this for hours. It's breathing, chat. Enter your credit card number. So this is fine. Now I just need a way of triggering the animation. Trigger CSS animation. This is how you code, chat. I see. Wait, there's got to be wait. This is got to be outdated. This is from 2017. I think there's a more updated way. When you click the button add class animated and then remove animated after it's done. But this isn't right. Yeah, animation end event. Perfect. Wait. Hold up. I want to do, get rid of this, get rid of that, get rid of this. On animation, no, wait. Yeah, on animation end. EV dot current target dot remove or dot class list or no dot style dot animation or no dot style dot remove property animation. Okay, wait, and then when this happens, I want to do div dot style dot animation equals and then like bounce 0.5 seconds linear. Okay, maybe this works. Maybe this works. Frick. It does not work. Oh, it doesn't work, chat. Let's remove this animation end thing, see if it works like this. No. So it is getting triggered, you can tell. Is it adding the animation thing? It is adding the animation thing. Is my keyframe not... Do I need to do this? No? Fuck. Oh, wait, now it's just called bounce. Wait, hold. Oh, there we go. Okay, obviously just a tad faster. Nice. Okay, a bit bigger. You can barely see this. Like scale 1.25 again. There we go. And now it doesn't even do it load and delete, which oh. Wait, it doesn't do it now either. Did it remove the animations like a... Oh, I removed the part where it removes the animation after it's done, which is quite necessary. Hold up. There we are. And now everything can animate more than one time. Let's make the scale a bit smaller, like 1.15. Yeah. Looking pretty darn good. Yes, this is my first time using Svelte. Very, very cool so far. Chat, if you haven't done !Nord yet, please check it out. Please check it out. I want people to be happy with my sponsorship performance. So that I can get more sponsorships in the future. Just click the link, look over it, see if you want to use it, and then leave if you want to. Do I use Nord? I would. If they gave me free NordVPN, I would use it. I just don't like paying for stuff. I think Nord is a perfectly fine VPN to use. One of the better ones to use. It probably won't leak your data. That's as good as you can get. It's fast. I'll talk more about it in like a couple hours. Yeah, there are 10 rows. There will not be 10 rows. We had this brought up yesterday. It will not be this easy to win. I think we're going to make it like 6 rows, maybe even. Or maybe even 5. Like, it should be hard because it is my credit card number. And I can change that just like that. Pretty easy. The thing that's missing now is that the little flip animation. Holy shit, they have index.html in their URL. It's so cringe, New York Times. Yeah, this flip animation. Ooh. What could this be? Okay. Taste. To case. Tease. Let's fucking go. Holy shit, chat. Third guess. Not bad at all. I was like, okay, what letter could it be? Ooh, can't forget the letters we already have. Fuck, now I can't now I can't show you guys the flip animation. Okay, it does it when you reload the page. Yeah, this is a very cool animation. Except it doesn't make a lot of sense. Like, the letter wouldn't it be upside down on the back? Who knows? If it's not easy, it must not be. At that age, you choose the flowers beneath my feet. All right. There might be. Color theme is super nice. Yeah, it's called Dracula. Oh, speaking of nice, I have a project, chat. I've gotten hooked into so many projects, like, in the last couple days. Oh, Rapid Lux, thank you for the Prime sub. Appreciate it. Anyone else have a Prime? I'm down on subs because I didn't stream for like 2 weeks. Way down on subs. I have less subs than anyone. Only the real ones are subbed at this point, which means that it's your opportunity to become a real one. But anyway, just use your Prime if you have it. You don't have to use a tier 1. I don't actually mind. I get paid money by Ludwig. The flip. Let's just design this flip. This flip animation, it's going to be a bit tough. Not going to lie. Now, there are 2 ways that I could do this. One of the ways is like this. I could just scale it down. Like, this isn't actually rotating. This is just being scaled on the y-axis. See that? And it looks like it's flipping to me. That looks like a flip. Right? That's a possibility. There is also a way to flip stuff. Oh, there we are. But that just looks the fucking same. It's literally the same thing, except it's maybe the rate of movement is different. Like, maybe it's because it wouldn't be a linear scale, right? It would be a sinusoidal scale, right? Like the width of the right now, the width of the letter is following a sinusoidal pattern, or like a demi-sinusoidal pattern that gets cut off in the middle. Does simply clicking the link help out with sponsored performance? Yes, it does. Clicking the link does help. Clicking the link in !Nord helps a lot. And if you don't want to buy it, you don't have to buy it. But if you do, once you click the link and you see how PogChamp it is, then that's even better. Yeah, so let me do a little flip here. All right. Let me do a little flip. What's it going to look like? at the beginning, our scale transform scale y is 1. At the 50% mark, our scale y is 0. And then at the 100% mark, it is back to 1. You'd think this is simple. And it is. So let's take a look at what this looks like. If I do flip instead of bounce. Okay, that's way too fast. We want like 0.3 seconds maybe. That looks too much. We have to ease it. It needs to be slower, maybe. It's not sinusoidal yet. Sinusoidal easing CSS. If the sun is blowing away, have I lost a part of me? Oh, sinusoidal curve. Oh, they're doing some tricky shit. They're approximating a sine wave with a quadratic, or yeah, a cubic function. So don't mind if I do yoink. Just a bit of yoinkage. Does this make it look... Oh. Oh. Yeah. Totally. Huh. That's crazy that it would do that. Why would it be so big? Why would they make it so big? I don't understand. Do I have to like make the scale like 0.1? Oh, yeah, no, it doesn't do anything. Okay, we're gonna not do this, I guess. Yeah, no, we're gonna figure out a different way. Ugh. Okay. So this is just for testing purposes, chat. Wait, why am I not doing an actual rotation? Why is it that hard? I just have to do transform instead of scale y1. It would just be rotate x 0 and then rotate x 180 degrees. Oh. Wait, that's so easy. Octrillion, thank you for the tier 2 for 16 months. You know how long that is? That's like almost a year. I appreciate it. You don't have to tier 2 to me. Yeah, why am I not just doing this? This looks better and it's just fine. It's not like it's expensive computationally to do. Wait, this isn't what I want at all. I want it to go to 90 degrees. Can barely even tell it's not actually rotating. Will this actually be called Credit Wordle? I don't know. I have to talk to Stans about what it's called. Stans is going to be the one doing the event. I'm just the coder. Speaking of events and stuff, let me talk to you guys about the projects that I now have to do. That I picked up yesterday. In addition to everything else that I have to do. Number 1. This thing. Number 2. I don't know how serious this is. I don't know if I actually have to do this. But Cutie Cinderella. Thank you for the Prime sub, Nyko C. Appreciate it. Cutie Cinderella wants me to make a shirt that automatically flashes people. Yeah. Now, I have some sketches. I did some brainstorming last night. I think it's totally possible. It's not even that complicated. I could probably do it. Even though I don't have any mechanical experience, I have some friends who I can ask. And it's not that complicated of a project. Like an anti-paparazzi shirt? No, like a shirt that... I think that the plan would be she wears the shirt or someone wears the shirt on stream and it's on a timer for 20 minutes. And if she doesn't solve a puzzle or like a Sudoku or something within that 20 minutes, it automatically flashes people or the stream. And then she gets perma-banned. I think that's the point. Now you can see why I'm kind of skeptic about whether or not she actually wants me to do it. But I could. And I could spend Ludwig's money on it, on the parts. You couldn't tell if she was serious or not. Now, that's good news to me, but also bad news. Because if you could tell if she was serious, you could tell me whether or not you thought she was serious. No, the shirt would actually open up. The plan would be... Here, let me pull up my sketch. I sketched it on my whiteboard. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this is the sketch. I think it would work. It would just have like a servo motor on the shoulder that turns this arm. I don't think there has to be anything special with the arm. It just has to attach to the bottom of the shirt because I made like a mock-up out of cardboard and I was looking at it, I like tested it out, and it kind of traces like an arc. Like as it goes up, it kind of traces an arc around like this. And then it would end with this red thing straight up. The other one's like basically straight up. LEDs? What do you mean LEDs? The only problem is how do you keep the shirt, or how do you keep the device? How do you attach the device to the shirt in the first place? Because there needs to be like a motor, a computer, like a Raspberry Pi, a battery pack, all attached to the shoulders, and the arms are going to be like front heavy so that you don't want it to like pull the shoulders forwards. Those servers would need to be insanely strong, would they? Why? Why so strong? Lever the wrong way? Huh. You're right. Now the question is, how strong do they need to be? Insanely strong or just fairly strong? And now there are other options, right? Other option number one is don't mount it to the shirt at all. Instead, mount it to like something on the ceiling, have strings attached to the bottom of the shirt, and then like a spool up on the ceiling, and it spools in the string. Right? That'd be very easy, I think. But it wouldn't look as cool as this. You have to admit. Yeah, we're not talking about LED t-shirts. We're talking not flashing like light flashing, flashing like showing the tits. I understand the confusion though. Anyway, that's one of the projects that I got looped into. And the other project is kind of the opposite of that one if you think about it. the, the other project is something that I came up with, which I think is goated and I can't believe hasn't been done yet. I want to talk about it. Because if people aren't following my like the same circle of people that I'm following on Twitter, they might not have seen this absolute shit. Look at this. Look at this shit, chat. And then look at this. This is an Instagram report. We didn't remove whole families getting decapitated's post. Because of the high volume of reports we receive, our team hasn't been able to review this post. If you don't want to see whole families getting decapitated on Instagram, it's insane, right? This is absolutely awful. And it made me think of this problem statement that exists, which is big corporations that run social media don't give a shit about reports, right? This is just a thing that people live with, right? You can't count on any of your reports to actually do anything. And even if they do, the damage is already done. The person can just make a new account, right? So what's the solution to this? Well, one potential solution is offloading the reports to the streamer's own community. Now, hear me out, Chad. The whole problem with people being absolutely disgusting and awful like this is that it's not that many people, but their voice is very loud and it's very obvious. And any messages like this that you see are, you don't want to see these, even if it's one person doing it, right? So the plan would be to make kind of like a unified moderation platform that interfaces with every single social media out there, like Instagram API, Twitter API, maybe Discord, Twitch, YouTube maybe, and allows the creator to take basically the report system into their own hands. Right? So instead of like reporting and then having to wait for Instagram to deal with it. It would instead report, and then it would automatically block them and automatically delete their message on every platform that you have information about that user on, and across every person using this moderation platform. And there could be automatic filtering as well. Like, this account, whole families getting decapitated, is probably only a couple of hours old at the time of the posting. So imagine every account that's X amount of time old gets automatically blocked, removed from everything. Right? And this is all configurable by the creator. There's the potential to be great and also insanely misused and abused. Well, the point would be to give all of the control into the creator's hands and or their moderator team's hands, right? They already have a community full of like Twitch moderators. Let those Twitch moderators screen Instagram comments as well and be able to block and delete those. That's my idea. I want to work on it. How do you prevent abuse of the report? Well, this is the thing. If there is abuse of the report, the thing is that the whole point with reports here is that, or the whole reason this reporting to Instagram doesn't work is because Instagram gets so many reports, right? But if all the reports are going through the moderation team of the streamer, then there's not going to be too many, because it's literally just one person, right? It's one person's posts that are getting reports processed on. No, yeah, it wouldn't do anything directly. I mean, it might report the account to Instagram as well, but like, you know how that would go, right? The point would be, give creators a way to moderate everything, all of their social medias in a unified place, automatically, as automatically as possible. Anyway, that's what I want to work on. I can't work on it like all the time, but I want to put together a proof of concept at least. Wouldn't other people still see it? Yeah, but they're not the ones receiving the vast majority of the targeted hate, right? Yep, more unpaid labor from mods. Let's go. Anyway, back to credit card number Wordle. Oh, that's kind of cool. Wait for it. Pretty cool. That needs to be a bit faster. 1 second, maybe. Yeah, that's more like the actual Wordle. Maybe 0.75 seconds. That's pretty good. Oh, and now the thing is, I have to change the state in the middle of my triggering of it. So I have to like let it go halfway across, and then I have to change the state, which is like the color. How do we do that? Glad you like the idea, Cannon Boot. Yeah, credit Wordle, automatic flashing shirt, and moderation tool, and some more other projects. I don't know if which ones I'm gonna work on stream, but yeah, those are the projects. I want to interview people about the moderation one. Like, I want to ask Pokey, like, what are the places that the most hate comes from? Is it like Instagram comments? Is it Instagram DMs? Is it Twitter messages? And then based on that, prioritize which ones to add, because it would be like a modular system, right? They would log into the website and it'd be like, okay, you can connect any of these social medias, and once you connect one, all of the filtering rules would apply to that social media that you like all the filtering rules you have set up already would apply to that social media. It's a manual. Well, it could be. It's part manual, part automated. I would say probably every account that's newer than a day that comments something with the word kill in it can probably be automatically deleted. But any account that's older than that might be hidden, and then like the comment could be hidden and then passed on to the moderator team, and then maybe deleted and blocked and reported. Right. Do I even look into new / better coding techniques? Yeah, this UI framework right now that I'm using for this website is new to me. I started learning it yesterday, and it's very cool. Do you see how you've grown? Don't be sorry then. Ooh, here we are. Sounds like a whole lot of API rate limiting. You think so? I don't think so. I think it would be fine. So I want to do kind of let old state equals letter state dot unsubmitted, right? And then I want this background color to be based on the old state. Put color in your cheeks. And then I want to run this bit of reactive code right here. What I think it compares to React, I think it's better in every way than React. The only advantage React has is it's older and it has a larger ecosystem. So if the state just changed, how's it compared to Next.js? Next.js is React. The equivalent of Next.js is SvelteKit, which I think compares pretty well. If old state is not equal to state, then I want to flip it. And then midway through the flip, so 0.35 or 0.375 milliseconds, I want to do state. No, old state equals state. Okay. Uh-oh. That didn't work. Fuck. What about this? What? No shot, that just worked on the first try. What? What? That never happens. How does I type? What the heck? Whoa. Whoa. Chat, did you see that? I just spammed this, and I spammed the exact same thing except for these two numbers twice in a row. Exactly. Holy shit. Did you see? Look at that. That was just me spamming. That was me spamming my keyboard twice in a row in the exact same way. That's cool. Let's make this flip a bit faster. Maybe. Oh. That's pretty good. Okay. Animations, I think, are looking pretty good. I want to reduce the bottom margin on this, I think. Even remove it, yeah. That's better. And maybe even reduce this. That's probably better. All right, chat, let me tell you about NordVPN for a bit. I have to. It's in my contract, chat. I have to tell you about NordVPN, but that's fine because it's pretty cool. So, if you don't know what the point of a VPN is, go to nordvpn.com/automated. Oh, it leaks your IP. Don't worry, you guys won't dox me. Go to nordvpn.com/automated and look at these features, chat. It's basically this is there's a lot of overhype around VPNs, right? The point of a VPN is A, you want to pirate stuff, which you should always use a VPN for. Trust me. A, you want to pirate stuff. B, you want to watch like Netflix that's only available in a different country. Like if you want to stream anime that's only in Japan, you can switch to Japan. And C, stay safe on public Wi-Fi. Maybe. I guess no. This would be call this stay safe on like school or like corporate Wi-Fi. Like if you're using like your university's Wi-Fi network, then use a VPN because they do monitor which websites you go to. Like how the web works is basically, unless you're using DNS over HTTPS, when you go to a website, you tell everyone on the network what website you're going to. You say, yo, I'm going to google.com. Tell me how to get to google.com. And then once you're connected to google.com, you're fine. All of the traffic from there is encrypted, unless it uses HTTP, which it probably won't. Right? But that check for what website you're going to, google.com, that's available to your university, to basically anyone who's listening in. So if you're going to sketchysite.com or porn.com, then you want to have a VPN for that, just for that bit. Yeah, so that's basically the point of using a VPN. Nord apparently has other services as well besides just a VPN. They have a password manager, I think, called NordPass, which, you know, if you're not using a password manager, you should be. Password managers are just better. And they have that's actually kind of cool. They have something called NordLocker, which is like a cloud storage service that's secure and it keeps your files encrypted. So that's pretty good. Yeah. Cloud. I don't have I don't have any cloud backup, so maybe I'll look into that. Oh, I saw. Wait, there was something in the briefing that was super interesting to me. Oh yeah, yeah. Apparently they have their servers are diskless, which is like they don't have any hard drive, which is cool, right? Because that means that they literally can't log your data because there's no hard drives on the servers. And I guess you have to trust them that they're actually diskless, but like why would they lie about that? Anyway, that's pretty cool. Exclamation point Nord. Click the link. If you're not going to do anything else, just type the exclamation point Nord, click the link, scroll through it, and then if you want to if you want to buy it, then you can. Doesn't. Yeah. Anyway. That is what I have to say to you guys. And you know, in addition to NordVPN, there's something called Twitch Prime. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but basically everyone has one available, and if you have it, you should probably use it. I know everyone probably uses theirs on Qt. I use mine on Qt. But you're watching me now, so use your Prime. Thank you, Alex Live. Appreciate it. Let me make sure I said everything I need to say. Oh yeah, they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So yeah, I would, if you don't already have a VPN, you might as well just try that and then make sure to get your money back after 30 days. Oh, one more thing. If you click on my URL, wait, that's actually crazy. If you use my URL, they have it so that Twitch creator URLs are always better than anything else. Like, that's the best possible deal you can get. Anyway, back to credit card numbers. No, I'm sure. I'm sure. Look at the sky. I'm trying to think about how to anti-cheat on this. Because it should be very possible to just spam the URL with a bunch of different guesses, and it won't check like your session. So it's possible that the only way to do this reliably is on stream. I did have this idea, which is no, I'm not trying to trigger an animation. I got it working manually with CSS. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the problem with the anti-cheat is that what if I mean, okay, yeah, there's no way to stop someone unless you do IP checking from like doing it on one browser and then like guessing this on one browser to find out where all the ones are, and then guessing this on another browser to figure out where all the twos are, etc. But what if it's IP limited? Then they would have to use NordVPN or something to get around the IP blocking. So yeah, let's do that. And these contests are going to be in short bursts anyway, so. Nord encrypts all traffic, yeah. So you would have to have to do one guess, turn on NordVPN, do another guess, switch locations in NordVPN, and then do another guess, so on and so forth until you had all the things. I guess I could make people log in with Twitch.
That would be a pretty foolproof way to counter it.
NordVPN has a browser extension that does just encrypt that browser. Ah, I see. What are we missing? Ooh, what if I do like something like if I store the entire credit card details. Like including the CVV and the expiration date. I could do something like this, which what this should do is if I guess correctly, it should send me down all of the credit card details. Yes. And if I guess incorrectly, it doesn't send me shit. Do I have a name for it yet? No, I don't. Feel free to suggest in chat if you have a good name. Cardle? Credit Cardle. I like Credit Cardle better than Cardle. Just because it's more of a meme. It's like fucking Credit Cardle? Seriously? You named it Credit Cardle? Okay. Details equals res 0. And then I need just like a place to pop up the details, I guess. Like it'll pop up. It's like, congratulations, use this credit card fast because it's about to be gone. Now I'm thinking, how do we want to show this on stream? Because if this is content, right? If this is content and chat is playing, then there needs to be some way to be like, to monitor the progress of the person. Like, I want to see, oh, this person has all the letters except for these ones. Is that how we want to do it? Like, do we want to do it in such a way where it's like multiplayer-ish because the streamer gets to see everything? I don't know. Or do we want to play it only with streamers and not with chat? I think playing with chat is required. Let me take a break. Message stands. See what he thinks. Oh, or it could be one. Yeah, it could be one chatter at a time. Yeah, so if it's one chatter, then it'd be pretty easy to display what the chatter's guesses are on the big screen. Anyway, I want to put a pause on this now that we have the user interface basically done. Ooh. Wait, it flips them all at the same time. I want to flip them in like one at a time-ish. How do I do that? Well, I pass the index of the letterbox down. Like so. No, I don't miss the feeling anymore. I want something new to love. How do I... Is there an animation delay? Yes. So I could probably do like index times 0.1 seconds. Ah. Yeah. Fuck yeah. That looks sick. That actually looks really cool. How do I feel about Microsoft beta testing ads in the File Explorer? More reasons to switch to Linux. They really make it easy for you. Become your hero. Ah, context equals module. See you You wish it were that easy. What program do you need on what program do you need on Linux that you can't have because it's only Windows compatible? Hacker code. A slew of games plus a ton of random programs that are Windows only. Okay, oh, if that's the info you give me, I can't help. Pretty good. I wonder if it's this. Let's go! I guessed the credit card number. PogChamp. Let me add some like constants up here, which is like flip duration is 500 milliseconds and like flip delay is 50 milliseconds. Huh. Oh, I set it to 500 seconds. Whoopsies. There we are. Yeah, you could always dual boot Windows and Linux. Can you dual boot with Linux's home directory being the same as Windows user profile directory? No. Well, actually, probably. But it won't be a very good experience because you have to mount it as NTFS, which is Microsoft's bad file system, instead of Linux's PogChamp ext4 file system. This stream sponsored by Linux. Yeah, if you want to make your home directory at exFAT, you can, but
I don't think it's a great idea.
um Oh yeah, what I was gonna do now that we're at a kind of a break point on the credit card thing is I want to make like a mock-up, like a prototype user interface prototype for the moderation system that I was talking about. So that I can show that before interviewing people to give them a better idea of what it's about. Is there a way to comfortably use Adobe products on Linux? Probably not. Adobe is one of those companies that just doesn't give a shit. Let me go into my design program. So, if we have this app, the moderation station. If you missed it, chat, we're trying to solve sexism. What do we want to have here on the dashboard that you see when you log in? We want to be able to there's a couple different sections. There'd be like connected accounts. There would be automatic filters. And what? And like manual moderation. Is GIMP good now? I like it, but I'm very used to it. It's a steep learning curve. Beautiful. Beautiful. I truly am the king of prototyping. Ugh. Let me think. Shoot, I'm tired, chat. It's probably because I woke up at 6 o'clock. Chat, you don't know how close I was to just going back to sleep. I was so close to just going back to sleep, but I was like, oh, fuck, I gotta do this Nord sponsor today. Get yourself a coffee. I've never drank coffee in my life. Not gonna start now. Let me make a new project. We'll call it... Fuck, what do we call the moderation system, chat? The... Omni moderator. That's too nerdy. Because it moderates everything. Omnimod. Any ideas, chat? Something space related. But it's got to be like professional. Nightbots? MetaMod? That makes it sound like it's connected to Meta. You know, Meta, the company that's going bankrupt. I feel like the logo should have like an infinity. Wait, that's like Meta's logo. Wait, Meta's logo is literally an infinity symbol. Fuck. I was like, oh, this would look so cool. There's no way I didn't know that. Well, I knew it. I just didn't. I was like, I thought it would be cool without thinking of the Meta logo, and then once I started drawing, I was like, okay, wait, that looks like the logo. Yeah, it could be styled differently, I guess, but there's only so many ways to style an infinity symbol. Also, no, so many things use infinity symbols, like the Discord. Doesn't the Discord something use it? Make it an ampersand? No, I swear, like Discord Nitro or something. Discord partner logo. Oh, they must have changed it. Yeah, it used to be this. This is what I was thinking of. But now it's like this. I like an ampersand as well. I like a stylized ampersand. Like and mod. Chat, in case you didn't know, this is actually the recommended prototyping process. The first thing you should do is you should figure out exactly what branding you're going to use and the exact name of your product. And only then should you start thinking about like features, you know, the problems it's going to solve. Don't need that shit. Oh yeah, and mod is a reference to a mod. We'll call it and mod for now. And mod. We can change that later, just like we changed Wordomated to Squabble. I know because I'm not satisfied. Oh, you know what I want to do, chat? I want to set this up like a fucking professional project. Like I set up Mogul TV Yeah, I want it to be set up like mobile TV. Which means next gen Yarn. Yarn workspace. By the way, chat, exclamation point Nord, real quick. I want 10 people in chat right now to click that link. Just click the link. Don't have to do anything. Just click the link. Boost my stats. If you want to buy Nord, once you click the link, then do it. But just click the link. 10 people. I forget how I set up Yarn v2. Huh. Okay, wait, let's remove this project and make a new one. It had your IP? Yeah, just like everyone has your IP if you don't use NordVPN right now. Something all the world is looking at me. What is this shit? Why is this a Yarn just has like a fucking base 64 package that gets decompressed at runtime? That's sketchy. So sketchy. Where was I? Core pack? What is core pack? Core pack? Never heard of it. I don't have it installed. Oh yeah, monorepos. This is what I want. NordVPN link click AF? Hell yeah. Thanks, Tom11W. Every click of that NordVPN link, exclamation point Nord, helps me out. You know, this is boring. I just realized. You guys don't want me to watch. You guys don't want to watch me set up the project for this. Let's just keep on working on the credit card thing. I just need to think of what I need to work on next. Oh, what do I need to work on? So I guess what we could do. Okay, let's add this pop up that we want to add. For when you win. I wonder if there's a built-in svelte modal. Okay. I mean, this is fine. We could just yoink this probably. It's a svelte story. That's probably like a context. What's the goal here? The goal is we want to show this modal when I want to show the modal when you guess it right or guess it wrong. So yeah, let's just use this shit. Svelte simple modal. So if I just put the modal down here, modal, and then like inside hello. Is this type scripted? Yes, good. Very good. Is it open already? Ooh. Oh, there it is. Hello. Wait, you're not where you should be. You should be on top of the page, no? Your friend told you Squabble is a popular game in NFT communities to give away whitelist spots for the NFT? That's the worst news I've heard all day. Holy shit. Fuck. That's insane. Oh no. How does that even work? Whoever wins Squabble wins the whitelist spot. I don't know. I don't know how NFTs work. This is going to drive up the people who want to make bots. I play Tetris at all? I used to play a lot of Tetris, but then they shut down Tetris Friends. And now I don't. What am I doing? I can make my own modal pretty easily. This one, I don't know how to use this package. All we need for a modal is like a backdrop and then a front drop. I guess the front drop can be inside the backdrop. Use the HTML modal element? What? That's a thing. Didn't work. It's an open property. It doesn't work. Okay, so for this modal, the backdrop do a bit of this. How do we disable? We'll stay together. All right, there's our modal. So we only want to show this if it's open. Then how do we open it? Well, right here, we'll do open equals details. Okay, so now if I guess, nothing happens. If I guess correctly, then it opens the modal. Boom. Modal opened. Now, what do we want this modal to show? Probably the credit card details. Or do we want to even give them? We don't want to. I don't think we want to give them the credit card details yet. Like, we need to verify that they haven't cheated, right? Before we do that. Let's not send these down. Let's just send this. Each other. Wishing with closed eyes. Oh. Okay. What information do we want to show? And what do we? Okay, two things. What do we want the modal to look like? And what information do we want it to show? How many hours would I say I work on average a week? Like, I don't know, more than 40 probably. Beside them. Your hands now. Make the background a bright yellow. Good idea, but I don't know if I'm going to implement it right now. I watch the water unfold. So fair to know. Man, I hate taxes so much. It's like, that's my money. I made it. Chat, I don't know. I'm kind of stuck as to what this should look like. What information should this have? Like, big congratulations. You won. Please wait to be contacted to receive the CVV and expiration date or something like that, maybe? A giant ad? Oh yeah, NordVPN ad. Of course. Congratulations, you won. Now buy NordVPN with the money. Oh shit, this is scrolling. Oh wait, this is goated. Wait. Body document dot body dot class name equals open question mark modal or undefined or nothing. Oh wait, that's so goated. Okay, wait. I have an idea. I want to go here. I want to go here. I want to see what exactly they had. They had if browser. Oh. Wait, how do you get if browser? Oh. Okay, so you see, you can scroll back and forth right now, but as soon as the modal opens, you cannot scroll no more. Very nice. Wait, what if you scroll before the modal opens? It's still centered. Okay, perfect. Congregation. What does the Wordle victory screen look like? Nothing interesting. I haven't played the daily Citisortle. Fuck. Bad guess. Oh, oops. I gotta go big or go home here. Okay, I went big. I didn't even go home. STAI. PEAN. Don't have anything on that one. Ooh. I have all 5 for this. There's 3 vowels. Email. Email. PHAL. E-A-M-Y-T. Teamy. That's not a word. Meaty. That doesn't fit. Matey. Sleet. Oh, 2 E's. L-A-I. No, still nothing there. S-T-A-I. No. P-E-A-N still. What could this be? State? No, I guess state. Stace. Stave, I guess. Could be steak. Oh, that's a good guess. Give me a K as well. Any Ks? There's a K in this. There's only one E. Skeps. Speak. No A. Spec. Pupil? Oh, I'm so good. Lucid. Is there C? Yes. Damn, this one's been almost finished since the start. H-P-A-L. Alp. Alpha? Two E's, one L, one E at the end. Wow, I don't know about this one at all. How do you know where the A is in this one? And the L. The I could be in either of these two spots. It could be XX IAL. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left to guess, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 guesses left. So I have to get. I only have one free guess. Oh wait, this one's almost done. AP. Apnea? Fucking apnea. That's a cringe word. Ooh, just give me an N. Wait, T-O-R-E-N. And the E can't be there. It has to be E-N. The T has to be in the start. Tenor. I think I've covered every single slot with an E by now. So if there's any E's left, I know where all of them are. This one has E. This one has 2 E's. Oh, wait. Are there 2 that have 2 E's? It says this is E blank L blank E. Exile. Let's go. Ooh, this one's got us somewhere as well. Wait, this only has E's and L's in it. Still? Webble. Ooh. Jewel? Jewel? No, it can't be Jewel. It's L-E. This one's close. This is XXNAL. It has an I somewhere. Final? I don't have an F yet. Please, thank you. Okay, free F. Any Fs in any of the other words? No? No, fuck. Okay, this one is crazy. It's R-A blank E. It doesn't have any other A's. It doesn't have any other E's. It could have another R. Braze. That is a word. I don't know if that's a solution word, though. I have one free guess still. If I can knock out like 3 of these letters in one guess, I probably should. I probably need to because this one's mystery E-L-E. I don't know what else is in there. This one is... Wait, maybe this one. A-I-T. S-T. Waste? Probably. Okay, 2 more. Any W's? No. Fuck, no W's? Seriously? Okay, I need one word that has a B-V... Weber. Darth Weber. That's his name. Bravo. Ah. B-E. Is it Bell? Like B-E-L-L-E? Fucking hell, that's a hard one. Oh, Brave. Nice. I did it. Anyway, back to credit card Wordle. Why can't I select this text? It's weird. Since you've awakened her again. Oh, fuck. That's how you spell it. There we go. Congratulations. Shit, I don't know how this game is going to be played still. Like, potentially, what we could do is, like, a random person in chat gets a link. Like, they get one play. And then the entire stream watches them play the game. and then the end. And then the next person plays if they lose. Which means we kind of need like a separate page for running the giveaway. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. New music. I haven't listened to Arcane in a while. So we'd have a giveaway page. Welcome to the playground, follow me. So on this giveaway page, we kind of need to like yoink from Nightbot. Welcome to the playground. Twitch chat iframe. What will it be? What the fuck is wrong with this? Why can't I embed it? Oh, I have to do localhost on localhost 3000. Can I do dark theme per slaps? What the heck? No. What are these random people who just are telling me the wrong things? I guess this is from 2017. Let's pop out. Yeah, I don't think that works either way, though. Unless this... Oh, never mind. That's crazy. Okay. There we go. Do I need the sandbox thing? No. Okay, so we got Twitch chat right here. Listening to chat, going along. We want to either grab messages from this or just connect to the WebSocket. Which do we want? Can we grab messages from it? Is there an API here? Huh. Well, it looks like there's no way to get chat from this, so we have to connect to chat separately outside of this. That's fine. That's not a big deal. I can just use the WebSocket API. Or I think I can literally just use... Bit of an issue. How'd you even get anything from an iframe? You can post messages between iframes in a page. And if they define an API on that, then it's all good.
But there seems to be an issue here.
Okay, we can't use Twerple. We just have to use our own chat implementation. Now I forget exactly how to do this, but we probably just need to connect to here. I wonder what the equivalent of a use effect is in Svelte. Yeah, I know this. Yeah, on mount, this is what I want. Oh, there's just an on mount method. Beast. Is there an on unmount? Oh, there's a teardown function. Yeah, I mostly work with TypeScript. I do some Rust though. Been programming for like 6 or 7 years now. Okay, so this should connect us to chat. It actually does connect us to chat, I believe. Except now we're connected to chat twice. But yeah, one of them is the chat thing here, and the other is the one that I'm making custom. The one that I'm making custom, I need to authenticate anonymously to. Now I know. Okay, I see. I don't know exactly how to send an IRC message over this. Can I do chat.send on open? When the chat opens, I want to do chat.send user Justin fan 12345, and then password can be anything. So that sent the user in the past, but I didn't get anything from it. Do I have to do like join automated? Maybe I do pass first and then nick. Let me remove the Twitch chat thing because it's just annoying for now. Oh. Oh, there we are. Wait, send something in chat. And it should show up right here. Like exclamation point Nord. Oh, it doesn't send anything. It doesn't work. Did it successfully join? No, it says it joined. I have to join hashtag automated. Oh, wait. Does it need to update? Someone just said in chat, PogChamp, it works. Okay. Oh, fuck. It works. Follow my Twitter. All right, cool. Try sending an emote. But not like a BTDV emote. Oh wait, that is an emote. That's. I guess it only needs like subscriber emotes. Well, anyway, we got our messages coming in. We do need to parse these. They're in some IRC format that I need to parse. But I don't really need to know a lot about these users. I literally just need to know the username and whether or not they are typing the desired phrase. Spare the sympathy. So we got this phrase. We want a bind the value to phrase. Now, does this automatically... Is this cool or is this okay? If this works, I'm going to be even more impressed with Svelte than I already am. Someone send a message. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Wait, hold. Not yet. Chat.add event listener. Message. Okay, try now. No shot. Oh my goodness gracious. React. Imagine React. Imagine React. You have to make a ref. You have to maintain a separate ref. I would have to either reconstruct this event listener. Ugh. This just works. This just works like you would expect it to work. This is a variable. When the variable changes, it shows up here. Holy shit, Svelte. Everything you do is amazing. So this is now incredibly easy. I do need to parse this data. Not a good night to lose control. Come tumbling down. I don't want an actual IRC thing though. I just want it. No, I don't want something that has 0 weekly downloads. On fire. Let me look at Twerple. What does Twerple use? IRC v3? Well, this is not even documented at all. Oh, this looks like an actual I don't want an actual IRC client. I just want to parse the messages. Ooh, I need to respond to pings, apparently. Turning back. Okay, so if they send me a ping, I just need to send them back a little pong. Ping pong. And if they send me a message, I guess I'll just parse this manually. It seems like I can... Well, okay, it seems like it always starts with a colon. Then there's the user, which is in some weird format. And then there's a priv message indicator. Then there's the channel. And then a colon. And then the message. So it should be fairly easy to parse this. Oh, there's the ping. Nice. So yeah, I can just pong back to that. This is actually super simple. So what I'll do... I'm missing some information here. I need to do this. So now if someone sends a message... Well, actually, I'm not... Aha. Now look at this. Now I have all this extra information like badge info, client nonce, color, display name. That's important. Nice. Now the question is, if multiple people send the message at the same time, does it group them up into one message? No, I get them all individually. But what if I go to like a big streamer chat and look at them? Like XQCal. So if I join XQCal, it still seems like each one is its own message from the server. I thought I might chunk them together because that would be better. But apparently not. Okay, so can I split this message at colons? Yeah, I can. So I can do const info equals split 0. Const I guess user equals split 1. Then const message equals split dot slice 2 dot join colon. I need like a whole ass parsing method. Let's go into util. Make a new IRC file. If I bring a couple rounds with me, then we all win. So we got this info. We can split this info at semicolons. We can get the user. Oh, there's a bug. Why did this one break it? Does this one like have an extra colon somewhere? Oh, it does have an extra colon. Oh, fuck. So we can't just split it from colons. What do I need from the raw IRC string? Good question. I only need the user and the text. I only need the display name and the text. So I could just run a regex on it. I don't need to parse every last detail out of it. I could just do display name equals this and then semicolon. Something a bit like this. Yeah, I know it's different when you send the text command. I want the text command for the so I can get the display name. So name would be match dot or match 0. If not match, return undefined. Name equals match 1. Message equals match 2. Okay. Let's see if this works. It doesn't. Why doesn't it work all of a sudden? Let's run this through a tester. Huh. What the heck? Wait, no, this should work. This should have worked. Okay, I might just have to rebuild the regex. What? What? I don't understand why this wouldn't be working. Take a random message out of here. Oh, it ends with a RN. So maybe this will fix it. There we go. Oh, there we go. It seems like it's working fine now. We got the names and the messages. Ugh, fuck. Looks like it's working flawlessly. Okay, now what? Now that we're parsing all these messages, we basically want to check each message for if the message of the message includes the giveaway phrase. And if so, add it to the list. Let eligible users they were wrong. Huh. Oh, this should be a set, I guess. Anyone who knows Svelte, is this best practice? For like a use effect type thing? Okay, so if the message includes the phrase, then what we want to do is eligible users dot add message dot user or message dot name. And then I also want to display all of the eligible users. So okay, I need to do like dot values or something. By the way, chat, !Nord, if you haven't already, check out my NordVPN sponsorship, just click the link. You don't have to buy it. You can if you want to. Let's get some more clicks in there. What we could have been. Okay, so I want to do Svelte each in iterator. Oh, I have to do ... There we go. Okay. Ah, fuck. It's clearing the set every time someone gets added to it because it's a dependency of this block. Hmm. Hmm. I don't... So obviously this isn't right. I need something to happen every time phrase changes. So I guess I could bind to the on change. When does on change fire for this? Yeah, that fires all the time. Or that doesn't fire all the time. It only fires when... So I want to do on key down, I guess. And here I just want to do eligible users dot clear. Oh, there we go. So now we're going to join automated chat. And we're going to make everyone who types POG eligible. But people who don't type POG should not be eligible, such as stream elements. Okay, nice. Looks good. Looks like it's working fine. And now if I change this so that now you have to type POG champ, it didn't clear the... Why didn't it clear? Oh, I didn't reactiveness it. Okay, so now we'll change it to, wait, let me make this. Okay, we're going to make it so you have to type the little O in brackets. Oh, I misspelled phrase. Okay, there we go. But now we change it to you have to type a 0. Oh. It happens whenever I move in the fucking input. Shit, I don't like that at all. That's not great. Svelte bind value function. On input, maybe. When does that get triggered? That looks like what I want. Yeah, okay. So on input is what I wanted. Is on input like a built-in HTML thing? Well, either way, it seems like on input works exactly how I want it to. And so now if I type, yeah, okay. So yeah, this works for selecting eligible users from what they type in chat. Now, giving this link to the user, actually giving the link, that's going to be like a manual Twitch DM or something, right? But generating the link, how do we do that? We would just call the API. We would generate, we have a sessions table. Each session would have the details about what's going on in it. Or maybe I would be behind the scenes doing it. Or someone would be behind the scenes. Because we can't show this link to the entirety of chat. We have to show it to just the person. Because this is like their private session for this is their chance to win the thing. Okay, how long have I been streaming? Is it okay? I'm probably gonna go for like 10-20 more minutes, then be done. Just make sure I'm not missing anything for the sponsorship. Oh, I have to make a Twitter post. um. I also do have to like fix this page up, make it look good. So I wonder if there's like a material text box library for Svelte. I mean, we could just copy most of the stuff from Nightbot's giveaway page, which has like Twitch chat, it has a list of the users, and it has like the control panel. Oh, I need like a to-do list. Generate user session links. Link guesses to session, which means like only let a certain number of guesses happen in each session, so that'll prevent people from cheating. Giveaway page UI. Loss and win box. Streamer page that shows box colors for current session. So that'd be like on screen, you could see how this person is doing. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba. What am I missing here? Am I learning Japanese? No. Isn't Japanese like one of the hardest languages to learn? From English? Oh, you meant the language. What the fuck do you mean? You meant the language. If I was going to learn a language, it would be Hungarian. Why Hungarian? Because I'm Hungarian. What is this? Oh. Weird. Alright, here's what we're gonna do, chat. We're gonna make this page, the giveaway page, look like PogChamp. And then we're gonna end stream and continue tomorrow after I talk with Stans about what he wants. All right, let me see if there is a Svelte Material UI library. Smooey. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. This looks pretty good. Increased touch target? What does that mean? I mean, well, that's a big click effect. Ooh, a little data table. Wait, this is actually crazy. This is like fully featured. What the heck? This is fully featured. Holy shit. This is goated. Okay, I'll use Smooey. How do I use you? Oh, you have to install these individually? That's kind of annoying. Okay. Install Smooey theme. Install Smooey. I guess that's not annoying because all I really want is the text field. Then I have to run npx Smooey theme template source slash lib slash theme. Interesting. Okay. Well, I mean, it keeps the bundles small, but like, it should tree shake that away anyway. So. I say no got some extra stuff in here. Okay, we'll put this in store slash theme, I guess. Don't need to put it in lib. Okay. So this is compiling my styles, and it wrote it to the static folder. Okay, it built me a whole ass theme thing in here. So now how do I use one of these text boxes? Oh, I have to add something to my source app. HTML. I don't want material icons quite yet. I don't really want Roboto either. Oh god, this is awful. This didn't work at all. Holy shit, your default styles are bad. Wait, do I have to restart this? Wait, what is this thing? Okay, I don't even need this hooks.ts. It's like trying to do a dark theme, but... Wait, get rid of this, I guess. I see. So if I do this... Aha. Okay, cool, cool. Okay, back here. Okay, this is fine. So now I just need to add a text box to this. Outlined, of course. Only outlined ever. Variant outlined. Label giveaway phrase. Import that from Smooey text field. Did it work? Text field is not defined. Why not? I imported you. Text, I misspelled text. Oh, it's with a lowercase f? No, uppercase f for sure. Okay, there we go. So now if people type test in chat, it should automatically enter them into the giveaway for nothing. Perfect. So that looks good to me. This text box is perfect. What I want now is to restructure this page into like... Well, I need styling. Let's make this section be flex. Align items. Flex start. Justify content. Stretch. Then we have a div here for the users. The text field here. So now if I do dot inner flex equals 1, there we go. I want one more inner down here. There we go. And display flex align items center flex direction column. There we go. No, I think this is NordVPN's birthday, not my birthday. Maybe it is my birthday, because that's when they started. Oh, no, yeah, they're turning 10 years old. Okay. What now? I need some headers on these. And then we can put Twitch chat inside this one. Oh, fuck yeah, this song's good. Okay, this looks pretty. This looks actually pretty good. So I make the phrase like pog, and then people start spamming pog. They'll show up over here. Thing is, I want to make these look a bit better. I think this should be left aligned. Let me just connect to XQC's chat so that I get, yeah. And only include messages that have the letter O in them. That's still so many. W. Okay, that's better. So for each of these users inside the user list, we'll give them a bit of padding. We'll make this user list have a maximum height of 600 pixels. Overflow Y automatic. Overflow X hidden. Yo, thank you for the Prime sub, Floaty1998. I appreciate it. If anyone else has a Prime, I would appreciate those as well. Because, again, my sub count has gone down dramatically because I didn't stream for a while. So every sub is cool. Gerby0879, thank you for the Prime as well. Appreciate it. Both of us see a cloud, or whatever we may believe. Being it may be proud, or whatever we want to see. Okay, so let's make a little button here. This button will be roll winner. It's a little bit of magic to end the world. Something different than a sauna within the world. How do I make this a raised button? Very okay. And a string. Okay, let's give this some margin. Unused? No, it's definitely used. Wait, what? Why isn't this working? Oh, you're not scoped. How do I attach styles to you? With a class. Class equals my class. It has to be global. That's cringe. Okay. Let's display a little. Nice. Oh, this is the perfect song because the stream's about to end. Yeah, thanks everyone for watching today's stream. We made quite a significant amount of progress. I think that this looks pretty cool already, even though we just started the giveaway page. We worked on some animations for the credit card guessing. Nice little flip. Oh, it's so cool. We talked about the other projects I have in store. And most of all, we got sponsored by NordVPN. Let me just do one last plug, ! Nord. Click the link, please. Just click the link. I don't mind if you don't do anything else, but if you click the link and you like what you see, then you may buy it. I talked earlier about how you should probably use a VPN if you are in like a university network or if you're trying to pirate stuff. So if either of those apply to you, then you might want to check out NordVPN or look for alternatives if that's not your style. Either way. Codephobia, thank you for the sub. But Nord also has a couple other services. If you buy the basic VPN, you also get like a password manager, NordPass, and like a secure cloud storage service, which keeps your files encrypted, which is cool. So yeah, check out NordVPN. Thanks for their sponsorship. Great pog. I'll see you guys tomorrow probably. Codephobia, thank you for the prime. You for the hours of fun with Squabble. I'm glad you like Squabble. I hope I can sell it soon so that people can start improving on it.